Welcome back to Learning Buddy. Narito na tayo sa ating Tagalog-English Translation, Part 74. Let's begin. Anong ginawa mo ngayong araw? What did you do today? Kumakain ka ba ng gulay? Do you eat vegetables? Marati ba itong nangyayari? Does this always happen? Bakit hindi mo sabihin? Why don't you say it? Nalaman mo ba ang katotohanan? Did you find the truth? Naglilihim ka ba? Are you keeping a secret? May hula ka ba? Do you have a guess? Sino sa tingin mo ang tama? Who do you think is correct? Alin sa tingin mo ang tama? Which do you think is correct? Sa tingin mo tama ako? Do you think I'm right? Pwede rin. Do you think I'm correct? Paano-ano mo ba siya? How are you related to her? Pwede rin. How are you related to him? Malayong kamag-anak mo ba siya? Is he your distant relative? Pwede rin po. Is she your distant relative? Hindi ka sigurado sa sagot mo? Aren't you sure of your answer? Pwede ko bang hawakan ang kamay mo? May I hold your hand? Sino ang paborito mong artista? Who's your favorite actor? Kilala mo ba ako? Do you know me? Kilala mo ba kami? Do you know us? Marunong ka bang magluto? Do you know how to cook? Malas ka bang bumisita dito? Do you often visit here?